Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to do a Christmas haul. I'm so excited. I have bought a lot of good stuff this year and I cannot wait to share it with you. Okay, so let's start. This one is an amazing golden and white garland that I bought at my local shop. It had some additional golden balls attached to it that I removed. I think that in a more simplistic way it looks good. It's very festive. I love it. I'm planning to hang it on a wall, on a door. I'm not sure where else. It could even stand on a table and then you can put inside candles. It is festive, amazing and very affordable, so I am so glad I bought it, and it was love at first sight. Yeah, so that's my golden garland right here. So the next thing is I just wanted to show you what I bought for kids. So first of all, let me show you the bag that I just love and adore. I love this dark blue color. It's very outstanding, and then you've got all those Christmas decorations, all those Christmas elements to it. It is festive. I have 3 bags like that because my sister has triplets. So let's see what we have inside of it. Yes. So first of all, you have the classic Santa chocolate. That is Kinder chocolate. They love chocolate, as everyone. And then I just love Lindt, and we have this festive chocolate bears that I couldn't resist, and I bought those for them. They are going to love it, I know it. But the greatest thing of all is this charging cable with light. It is amazing. You just put this cable to your computer and then charge your phone, and the lights go on, and is festive and amazing. And I saw this last year, but I didn't. They ran out of it because they sell so good, I think. And this year I went to the same shop and they had those this year, so I was so fortunate to buy those. I just love it, love it, love it. That's the bag. Okay, next thing that I bought, this is from TK Maxx. It's fortune cookies, and look at this adorable simple yet chic packaging, and you know, I just cannot resist those. And you know, fortune cookies, they are sold in Chinese restaurants. So it's not very connected to Christmas, but I thought that with this packaging, we could just sit around the table, everyone could have a cookie and then read the, you know, the message inside, and we can just have a nice experience with it. And it will be wrapped in a nice paper with some bow or any other decoration, and it will be just a cute present for my whole family. So yeah, that's something that I love. Now let's take a look at the pillowcase that I bought that I'm very excited about. I just opened it up today because I got a delivery yesterday, and look at this cutie. I mean, how gorgeous is this? This one is from H&M. It says Happy Holidays. It has this ecru color, and then you've got this green garland, a little bit of red berries. It's simple, it's rustic. I love it, love it, love it. It's already out of stock, at least in my country. But if you can buy it anywhere, I really recommend it because it's unbelievable. I love it. And H&M is my favorite store to shop in. One of my favorites, because another one is Zara Home and TK Maxx. But let's take a look what else I bought at H&M, because this year I've spent a lot of money there. Okay, so this one is the Christmas stocking, and again, how adorable and cute is this? It has this acrylic color, and then you've got those red elements, and I love this kind of combination. It's very simple, again, rustic, but so cute. You've got little stars in here, happy holidays, and then you've got this rabbit. And it is a little bit Eastery, but I thought that still it's kind of cute. And as you can see, I still have those tags just in case I change my mind. You never know. So I really recommend this. And this one was discounted because it's an item from last year. I bought last 3 stockings again for the triplets. And so it was so cheap, yet amazing. Okay, so when it comes to H&M, I also bought this amazing table runner, which looks like this. I hope you can see that. And again, it is for me an amazing. I also bought some corresponding material for the table that you can match with this table runner. And I actually bought this on Black Friday, so it was discounted. And along with that, I've got, let me just find it real quick. Sorry, I've got too much stuff in here, it's hard to navigate. I also have this kitchen towel, and it's the same key visual, but I just love it, love it, love it. It doesn't have those berries though, I don't know why. And I know what you guys think, it's a little bit matchy, but I am thinking about not using maybe everything at the same year. I might use the table runner next year. This year I could use the kitchen towel and this pillow. I don't know, it's just, I couldn't resist it. Okay, what's next? The next is again H&M, but not an H&M Home. It is simple H&M, and look at this cute blouse. And let me just stand up. It has this amazing red color that I just love. I think it looks good with my skin color, with my hair. It has this white type of Christmas ornaments in there, and it's just cute. And inside there is this nice fluffy material that makes your body warm. It makes you feel cozy. I love it. Again, I bought this during Black Friday, so it was discounted, and I'm going to use this at home or even as a pajama, because one thing that you should know about me, I almost never buy pajama. I make things. I buy blouses, I buy, you know, trousers, and then I make those as a pajama. So this one is so cute. Now, moving on to my second favorite shop is TK Maxx. So we've got those little cute boxes with the little cars and then the Christmas tree, and it was so adorable. And actually this year I wanted to buy a prepaid card for the triplets with their name on it, so they feel a little bit an adult, and I wanted to put this in those boxes, but actually they're not old enough, so I will be keeping this for next year or even 2 years after that. So those are the boxes. And then, guys, you don't know this about me, but I love wrapping paper, and anything that can be gift wrapped, I'm wrapping it in a paper. I don't accept bags unless there is some item that it's really hard to pack. Anything else, I need to have a gift wrapping paper, and I need to have this at least in November. If I don't have anything in December, I am panicking. So this year, I bought the paper at H&M, and it's not H&M, sorry, TK Maxx, and it is festive. I love it, love it, love it, love it. yeah, and then along with that, I bought those big, amazing bows. Those are actually hard to get, such a big bows, and they are festive as hell. And I'm not planning to do any big kind of presents, but again, I bought this just for the future in case I need this. And there it will be. I also bought a corresponding bag. There you go. I might return this one because, again, as I said, everything I'm gift wrapping, but in case I buy something unstandard, I am using this bag and I will not feel bad about it. All right, what we have next, then we've got this amazing garland. It's very simple. There are some pieces that I would like that I'm planning to cut, but anyway, I think with those you can, you know, put it around the house. You can add the red ribbon in there, maybe not, or even maybe this. I don't know, it's kind of cute. It makes the whole house very festive. I just love those. Love it. So apart from the garland, of course, I went to IKEA because I love it, and I bought those little cute Christmas trees. Yes, those are so adorable. I bought a bunch of it because you can put it around. It makes the whole house look amazing. And we've got those flower pot silver, and then the other options to have a red one, and it is amazing. Okay, what else we have in here? So there are also some nice ribbons that I was able to buy. This one is from a drugstore, and those two are from TK Maxx, but those were actually designed in the US, made in Taiwan. This one is a velvet one, so it's very festive. It will look very good. Not with this paper though, okay? I will use it in the future. And also this one, it is a Cree golden type of ribbon that I might use when I have this garland and more like a golden theme for Christmas. So yeah, and I love how it is packed. It's very comfortable. It looks nice. So I'm living for it, people. I think that's it. I don't know. Did I buy a lot of stuff? Let me know. For me, I couldn't resist. All of that I needed. Okay. But I have to say that I'm just collecting things. I'm just collecting things, so I don't feel bad about it because I don't have too much stuff. That at least I think so. Yeah, but maybe two more things. One is this amazing Christmas type of sweater that I bought this year, and I wanted to buy this kind of Christmassy sweater for maybe 2 years. And this year when I saw this one, it was like, okay, I need to have it. I think it looks good with my skin tone again, with my hair. I just love it. This is the first time that I'm wearing it. I'm feeling very cozy. I'm feeling very Christmassy. I love this. I love the color, everything. And last but not least, this year actually I didn't shop too much at Zara Home, but I bought one Christmas present there, and it came because I bought it online in this amazing cute box that I just love. As you can see, I am kind of a rustic type. I like rustic kind of simple design, and this one is, it's just when I saw this, I was just in love. So yeah, that's my Christmas haul. Let me know if you liked it. Click the subscribe button because I'm planning to do more Christmas videos. I'm going to do also more music reviews, including this amazing Legendary Christmas, John Legend Christmas album. It is legendary. It is classic. It's amazing. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do more videos about you know, how to decorate the Christmas table. I mean, I have a lot of things that I want to talk to you about, and I am planning to do those videos very soon, maybe even next Saturday. So hit the subscribe button, hit the thumb up, and see you next time.